Hello YouTube, welcome to my new YouTube channel. I'm glad to see you there. Today I will tell you about Porsche 911 Turbo S. This car has a big history with very much wins and benefits. I guess that everyone like this, and let's start with design. This 911 in beautiful and bright black. Look at the headlights of this car. They resemble the eyes of a dragonfly. The silhouette of this car cannot be confused with anything. Just look at this. It's perfect. It's perfect car, you know? Just look at this sweet ass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's speak the sound of this engine. Oh shit, that sounds great. This popcorn. Oh my god. Despite the fact that today is beautiful sunny weather, look at this. It's really sunny and it's warm. I propose to sit behind the wheel of this handsome man and inspect the interior. Let's go. The interior of this car cannot be called luxurious, but it's very well assembled and ergonomic. While we're standing, the engine had already warmed up. Very soft wheel, and in calm mode, the exhaust is not very loud. It's rather comfortable. So, the wheel, very ergonomic, very pleasant for my hands. I can say that this car is rather comfortable for city driving, in case that this is a really true sport car. Look at this, wow. Okay. Don't forget. We in the city, guys. Limit speeds, police, you know. Oh, I'm sorry. Listen this popcorn. It's great sound. Oh, bridge. Wow. Porsche 911 Turbo S, bridge, England, sunny. What do you want, guys? Great day. And full tank of petrol. mother of God. Wow, fire. Fire! Oh shit. It's good that my mom can see how I'm driving. Oh, fucking BMW. Oh, I forget to say that it's all-wheel drive car. It's give us a perfect start. Okay, what about highway driving? It's full throttle. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. I love it, really. It's very good. Okay, what about maximum speed? Full throttle. Holy shit. So fast. This is so fast, guys. Oh, let's see the max speed of this car. It's full throttle. Son of a bitch. Seventh gear. $200 miles. Okay. It was dangerous. Brakes on fire. Guys, subscribe on my channel and be happy.